Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve example number 3rd 9 exercise 9.1. Question is given that an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. The angle of elevation from the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. What is the length of the chimney? Here, suppose that AB is a AB is an observer which is 1.5 meter tall. 1.5 meter tall, and CD is the chimney, and this is the ground. CD. This is parallel to the ground and equal to this is equal to 1.5 meter, because it is the opposite side of an rectangle. Let me suppose this length will be x meter, so it will be also equal to x meter. Clear? Here is observer eyes. Angle of elevation, the top of the chimney or her is equal to the elevation angle from the eyes of the observer and top of the chimney is 45 degree. Clear? Now find the height of the chimney. That means we find the value of this and this. Let me suppose this value will be equal to h meter. So total value equal to h plus 1.5 meter. Clear? Now let we suppose that AB equal to 1.5 meter is an observer, CD is the chimney, and BD is the distance of observer from the base of chimney, and angle this is equal to A. CAE is equal to 45 degree elevation angle. This is the elevation angle. Clear? We find the length of the height of the chimney, or height of the chimney, and length of the chimney. Clear? Now in triangle CAE, this is equal to h, and this is equal to h, and it is given that total height is equal to 28.5 क्या दिया गया Yes, sorry. This is equal to 28.5. Given, it is given that 28.5 meter. This is equal to 28.5 meter. Clear? We find H, that means ACE. So we find the relationship between base and perpendicular. So we find tan 45 degree is equal to H, that means P upon B. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So equal to H upon 28.5. This will be equal to H is equal to 28.5 meter. So the total height of chimney will be 28.5 plus 1.5 meter. So it will be equal to 30 meter. Clear? Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.